Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the foremost web browser on your DOOGEE X95. So let's start the Firefox. When you have this welcoming screen, just click here and that's it. If you have any tab open it, click on the tab icon, switch to the zero mask and add a tab. That's it. The next one, Microsoft Edge. Here, click on the taskbar icon, switch to the in private, and add a tab by the plus. The next one, Opera. Click on the taskbar icon, switch to the private, and add a tab. And the last one, the Google Chrome. Click here on the three-dot icon or arrow icon, choose the new Incognito tab, and now your completed forms, the history, even words from the keyboard will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.